Lights, camera, action. Let's roll, guys. We are here at Graham's. I'm gonna try to get some fancier clothes for the banquet. I don't think this is the appropriate attire for that. Obviously not dressed for this cold weather, so hopefully I can find some shorts. I stole a jacket from somebody at the Harris house, but yeah, we're here at Graham's. Hopefully I can find a nice, you know, clean outfit for the banquet, look presentable. Yeah, let's go.
This one is like kind of simple, but it's got kung fu action in it, which is pretty awesome.
Wait,
I kind of love that. It's cute.
It used to be kung fu, so maybe it's like not totally legit kung fu.
I have to wear this today as a jacket. What shirt would you wear? A white one?
White or like a soft blue would look really good too.
You could do anything.
And then what kind of?
You're slaying.
Is this nice?
Yeah.
What's that?
I said he's slaying. Slay.
Yeah, this is what you need right here.
These.
Oh yeah.
Yo, those are clean.
Right?
Yep. Oh.
All right, now we're ready to go.
Oh yeah, you look like Ian. So.
Looks good. Let's roll.
Yeah, give us a twirl.
This little model, thank you. And you have like.
All right, we're here at SSI. He has a storage shop over here. There's a snow track in here for a KLX 110. He has a 110 at his house, and there's some snow on the ground. So we're gonna hook up the snow track to the pit bike and then shred it, and then we're gonna get a rope, hook it up, and snowboard behind probably an ATV. I haven't gone snowboarding much, but I want to try while I'm here. The slopes aren't open yet, the resorts, so we're gonna do it on an ATV, hook up a rope, snowboard, and then we're gonna put the snow track on the KLX 110 and test it out.
Is this for a pit bike?
Yeah.
This is for a KLX 110.
Dude, how much does it weigh? Like,
I don't know, it's pretty stout for sure, so it might not go too fast, but we'll hold her licked, bang through some gears, and see what we can get done.
Shoot, that thing's wild.
There she is. Put the old snow track in the Dodge Charger. Now we're ready to go build this thing and give her a shred. This is my little dungeon down here that I stay in when I'm here. Be towed behind the quad.
Are you ready for this?
There it is. Sim, I drive the Pro Light on. Got a Sparco seat, pretty cool.
Are you gonna give us a demonstration in a little bit?
The computer's a little laggy, but we'll get some laps on there. This is the bike that we're gonna put the snow track on and shred it. That's the quad we're gonna use to tow people on the snowboard. Of course, it's a Yamaha, the best. We'll go get the snow track, pull the pit bike out, get a little time lapse of us putting together the pit bike and building the snow track. All right, guys, so we got this Timbersled for the KLX 110 and the ski in the front. It was honestly a pretty easy assembly. There's directions that come with it. We just pretty much unbolted the stock rear shock and swing arm and took the tire and broke the chain, bolted the Timbersled up, put the chain on. They give you all the parts needed. The sled on the front goes on pretty easy, as you can see. Provide a rear brake. Yeah, this sled's really easy to put on, and I'm excited to go test it out in the snow and see what I really think of it and give a good review on this KLX 110 with the Timbersled.
I just saw her in the weeds all later on the ground.
Yo, she's gone. What do you think? Initial thoughts on the...
This thing's sick. Parents, if you don't have a Christmas gift for your kids and you have a pit bike, buy them a Timbersled. My hands are freezing, but this thing's actually pretty fun. It's a lot different than a normal pit bike, I'll tell you that.
Just trust it.
Yeah. No, the forks though, look, they're frozen down, look. They're stuck. See that? They're frozen.
It's actually fun jumping that little
send it.
I don't like it at all.
I'm still getting a feeling back in my fingers.
Dude, I
Here,
can't
you want
even.
my gloves? Yeah.
Like the shorts aren't terrible, but the fingers are bad.
Your fingers are
I'll
bad.
film. Let's get the camera guy on it.
Oh my.
Here we go, guys. I'm taking over. Coulter's about to go shred. KLX 110 with the Timbersled.
I'm gonna try not to die.
And there goes the grass.
Yo, if there's a pit bike, snow bike race,
Yeah, that was good.
oh, I'm in.
KLX 110. Elise and Izza are gonna do a 2-lap race, and we're gonna see who wins. You guys ready?
Holy crap, I can't see! Oh, it's gonna leave!
Oh! Do we have a wreck? What'd you do? What happened? Go, Izza, go! Shift up! Oh! Go, go, go! More gas! More gas!
I'm crying, bro.
So what happened?
So you know that corner, Bryce? If you're not flat on the track, it doesn't get good traction, right? It's like on the edge of it, you
Yeah,
know?
it stops on that hill.
Yes. So I had to flatten up, and she goes, oh! And rams the gas up all the way up on the back of me. Elise is laying in the weeds, and she's like,
All right, let's do one more. Rerun. Izza runs the GoPro this time.
Oh, it's actually cute. He's like, it's freezing, guys.
Sad. Stop. Oh my gosh, I've never mouse. I've never seen one. It's a little fur ball.
A few moments later.
Hey, did you see where Bryce went?
No, I don't know. He took off up to the house. No,
Yeah.
he was just sitting on his phone for a bit, but
We
he said
got
he'd be back out.
we got a YouTube channel to film.
I know. He's been busy, so guess we'll find out. Oh,
Let's go shred. I'm ready. Hey, Alexis, ready?
There he is.
Shred's on it. Let's go, baby.
Oh, the Louis V slide.
here I go. We found a quad sitting down in Ian's shop. I've had this snowboard for like 4 years, used it twice. I've legit only snowboarded twice in my life. So we're gonna give it a shot behind the quad. These are snowboarding shorts, right?
This is either a really good idea or a really bad idea.
I mean, for me, it's bad.
I'm gonna hand you that. You be safe, okay?
Here we go.
More speed.
At least you tried.
She struck him through the brush. I think we just invented a new sport. Yo.
That was lit. You got a hang of it.
Started to figure it out.
Yeah, you actually did really well.
And first time in like 3 years I've ever been on a snowboard, so.
Hey man, it's like riding a bicycle, dude.
Decent. Oh, bro, my hands are freezing. Now we're gonna let Elise give it a shot. She actually snowboards quite a bit, so should go pretty good.
You rip.
Oh, that was lit.
Look at the style.
Oh! Thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed. Like, subscribe, comment. It really helps our algorithm on YouTube. And yeah, we didn't have a lot planned today, but we made the most of it. Got the quad out, got the snowboards out, made the snow bike.
Yeah, let's go.